Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set a texture for a UI button in Godot, specifically using a texture button. If you've created the button but can't figure out where to assign the image, you're not alone. Let's fix that in under a minute. First, in your scene, add a texture button node. You can do this by clicking the plus icon, searching for texture button, and adding it to your UI. Now click on the texture button in the Scene panel. On the right side, open the inspector. Scroll down until you see the Textures section. If it's collapsed, just click to expand it. Here you'll see options like Normal, Pressed, Hover, and Disabled. Click the empty slot next to Normal, choose Load, and select your image. You can repeat this for the other states if you want different visuals. And that's it. Your texture button now has an image. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more Godot tips, and I'll see you in the next one.